In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Arriva bus pass to your Apple Wallet, or rather, explain what you can currently do since Apple's setup doesn't allow for a direct transfer of your bus pass into the wallet as of May 2025. If you're a frequent Arriva bus traveler, you might be wishing for an easier way to store your ticket on your Apple Wallet. Unfortunately, right now, Arriva's M-tickets can't be added directly. Instead, Arriva utilizes its own app for managing these digital tickets. So let's start by making sure we're all clear on some important foundational steps. The Arriva UK Bus app is what you'll need for purchasing and displaying your tickets, and it also works as a digital wallet. Even if Apple Wallet is your go-to for everything else, think of the Arriva app as its own specialized wallet specifically tailored to bus travel in the UK. Now, while you can't transfer your Arriva bus pass into Apple Wallet, here's what you can do instead. Utilize Apple Pay to simplify your travel payments when you hop on an Arriva bus. That's right, with Arriva's tap on tap off system, you can quickly pay for your journey. All you'll need to do is tap your iPhone or Apple Watch on the card reader when you board and when you exit. Super convenient and definitely makes the whole process smoother. So let's go over how to set that up. The first thing you need to do is launch the wallet app on your iPhone. Simple enough, right? Just scroll through your home screen or app library and tap on that familiar wallet icon. Once you're inside, look for the plus sign. It's typically at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap that. When you do this, you'll get a set of simple prompts to follow. These will guide you through the process of adding your credit or debit card to Apple Pay. Whether you're new to Apple Pay or just adding an extra card, remember to have your card on hand, as you'll need to either scan it using your camera or enter the card details manually. Once your card is successfully added, you'll have Apple Pay set up and ready to use, making you fully equipped to handle those tap-on tap-off payments on Arriva buses. I hope this information helps make your daily travels just a little bit easier. Knowing how to leverage technology effectively, even if it means adapting slightly, can really streamline your day-to-day tasks. Thanks for joining me today, and happy travels.